If your iPhone says you have to wait 1 hour before changing your Apple account password, don't panic. Here's exactly why it's happening and how to fix it. When you go to Settings, tap your Apple account at the top, then open Sign In and Security and tap Change Password. You might see a message saying you have to wait for a 1-hour security delay. This usually happens because stolen device protection is enabled on your iPhone. To remove that delay, open Settings, tap Face ID and Passcode and enter your passcode. Then scroll down and tap Stolen Device Protection. If it's set to Always, your iPhone will require the 1-hour security delay every time you try to perform certain sensitive actions, including changing your Apple account password. If it's set to Away from familiar locations, the delay usually only happens when you're somewhere your iPhone doesn't recognize, such as away from your home or workplace. If you need to change your password immediately, you can temporarily turn stolen device protection off. Now, when you try to turn stolen device protection off, one of two things can happen. You might be able to turn it off immediately, or your iPhone may start a 1-hour security delay before it lets you disable the feature. That's exactly what happened to me, so I simply waited for the 1-hour delay to finish. Once stolen device protection is turned off, go back to Settings, tap your Apple account, open Sign In and Security, tap Change Password, and update your password. After you're done, I highly recommend going back and turning stolen device protection back on. It's an important security feature that helps keep your Apple account and personal information protected if your iPhone is ever lost or stolen. And that's it. If this video helped you, don't forget to leave a like, subscribe for more iPhone tips and fixes, and share this video with your family and friends. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.